Hello, class 11, Sharma students. Welcome once again to Math is Possible. I am ready to continue your video for the chapter Arithmetic Progression and Geometric Progression. I was doing exercise number 19.1 and I think I have done till question number 5. I can see it's marked over here. Let's go on to question number 6. Okay, now some of these questions are important. I'll let you know which one is important and which one is not. It says, let a sequence, let AN be a sequence, SEQ. I'm writing in short. Let AN be a sequence and it is given, okay, this is the question, given A1 is equal to 3. It's given as A1 is equal to 3 and AN, the nth term formula is also given. AN is equal to 3A n minus 1 plus 2, 3A n minus 1 plus 2, comma, for all n, what is that? Greater than 1. For all n greater than 1. This is given to you. And the question is, find the first 4 terms. This is given, this is the question. It says, find the first 4 terms. Okay, this is your question. This is what you have to find. Now, this is the nth term formula. This is the formula for the nth term. This is the first term already given to you. That means you have to find another 3 terms. Okay, so start. You see, this formula you have to use for all values of n greater than 1. Where are you going to put the n? This over here you have to put the n. Okay, so greater than 1 means what? 2. N belongs to natural number. It's not given in the question. N belongs to natural number. Some of you all will say greater than 1, so why not 1.1? Because 1.1 is greater than 1, but n belongs to natural number. This is not given in the question, but I am giving it to you. Okay, for these type of questions, n belongs to natural number. Okay, so let's start with n greater than 1. So you cannot take 1.1 over here, so that's not possible. Okay, so n greater than 1. So n is equal to 2. Okay. So A2 is equal to, don't even think about that, like I said the 1.1, something like that you cannot do. Okay, so take that out of your mind. Okay, even if it's not given n belongs to natural number, you still do 2, 3, 4. Okay, so n equals to 2, put 2 over there, then you write 3 into, that's a multiplication, nothing is given over there, that is A, what you have to put? 2 minus 1 plus 2. Now write A2 is equal to 3 into A1 plus 2. Every time I will not be splitting it so much. Okay, you will have to understand, you are in class 11. 3 into A1 is there, 3 plus 2. That is 3 3s are 9 plus 2. That is 11. I've seen some posts. Somebody saying that only genius can do this. Okay, that's stupidity. First you have to multiply and then add, okay? Nothing like that, everybody can do. Anyone, even class 4, 5 students also can do if you teach them nicely. N equals to 3. Okay, now you can write this as equation number 1 because n equals to 3 where? You can write now in 1. Every time you write in 1, that means you are putting n equals to whatever value in that equation. So A3 is equal to now 3 into A2 plus 2. I told you I will not be splitting every time. Now you can put 3 over here. 3 minus 1 is 2. So I have written A2. Over here only n. So 3. So what is my third term? My third term is 3 into my A2 is here 11 plus 2. 33 plus 2. 35. That is my third term. Okay, let's go on to the next. That is n equals to 4 in 1. So let's put n equals to 4 in 1. So a4 is equal to 3 into a3 plus 2. So 3 into, what is my a3? 35. So that is 35 plus 2. So start multiplying, because CBSE students class 11, sorry to tell you, you're not allowed to use a calculator. 5 3 15, even in 12 also not allowed. 5 3, I don't know why 3 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10, plus 2 7 0 1. So that is 107. It's the fourth term. So you've got 4 terms. You needed 4 terms. That's the first one. Okay, where's the red marker? Over here. That is the first. This is the second. This is the third. And this is the fourth. Time to check the answers. Question number, the answers are here only. Question number 6. A1 is 3 already given to us. A2 is 11. Correct answer. A3 is given as 35. Correct answer. A4 is given as 107. That is also correct answer. So this question is done and it's correct. Let's go on to question number 7. Okay. Now, these questions are very easy. Okay. So, class 11 students, don't expect these questions to come. But you just need to understand and see these videos, because if you don't understand the first part, then you will not understand the later on things. Okay. But basically, your practice starts from part 10 or part 13 or something like that of these videos. So question number 7, you can start practicing from those parts. These parts are just introduction parts. In the later parts, I will be doing very, very difficult questions, questions that you get in your assignments, questions that you get in your exam, the questions that you're familiar with in your book. Okay, those questions I will do. Every type of question will come. Okay. So anyways, A of n, part 7, question number 7 has many parts. This is my first part. Okay. A of n is a sequence given to you. Okay. And the first part, for the first part, A1 is also given to us as 1. And An is given to us as An minus 1. Put this in bracket. Sometimes in the textbook you will not have that bracket over there, but you can put a bracket, doesn't matter. An minus 1 plus 2, similar question or what? Okay, no, it says yes, more or less similar type. N greater than or equal to 2. The only difference is this is 1 and that was 3, right? In the previous questions, yeah, that was 3, and there was a 3 also we are multiplied. A similar type of a question. So what do you have to find in question number 7? This is given to you. This is just the question given to you. Now what you have to find, I'm telling you, okay? You have to find the first 5 terms. Find first 5 terms. Okay? Simple question. Quickly you all start. Don't wait for me. I know you all can do it. So n equals to 2 in 1. Those of you who are not agreeing with me, please check. It says n greater than or equal to 2. Greater than and equal to sign is also there. So we have to start with n equals to 2. Okay, in the previous one it was greater than 1. So that was 2. Okay, so let's write a2 is equal to a 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 2. So see, a1 is 1 over there plus 2, that is 3. So the second term is 3. Again, n is equal to 3 in 1. So put 3. Then a3 is equal to, put 3 over there, everywhere 3, and instead of n put 3. So that's 3 minus 1. So a2 plus 2. What is my second term? It's over there, 3 plus 2, 5. Okay. So more or less you can see there's a pattern coming out, plus 2 plus 2. If you are smart enough, then you write the next term to be 7 and the next term to be 7, 8, 9. Okay. But you can also continue with this, no problem, you still get full marks. Okay. N equals to 4 in 1 input n equals to 4. So a4 is equal to a3 plus 2. So what is my a3? That is 5 plus 2. See, 4 minus 1 is a3. See, 7, I told you, you will keep getting like this. So the next one you can do on your own. I'm writing the fifth term. A5 is equal to 9. Okay. So see, I think we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the fifth terms. 5 terms. You can write like this: 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 9. Okay. Let's check the answer. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Correct answer. 7 part 1 is correct. Let's go on to 7 part 2. 7 part 2. Not important. Not important. Class 11 students, this exercise, nothing is important. And if you think that, you're stuck, you're getting stuck in that question and you might not be able to do it, then mark it important on your own. Okay, there are some things that you can mark important on your own. If you feel they're difficult, you don't have to think that since I have not marked it as important, it is not. Depends on the way you think. So it's given as a1 is equal to 1, which is also equal to a2. So 2 terms are already given to you. Your work is reduced. Then it's given as an is equal to an minus 1 plus an plus n minus 2. N minus 2. Okay. N minus 1, n minus 2. This is Fibonacci series. N greater than 2. And of course, in every question you will write n belongs to natural number. Even if it's not given, you write it. So you have to find the first 5 terms. This is called a Fibonacci series. I'm forgetting the spelling. Okay. It's, I think, something like this. Fibonacci. Something like this. This is a Fibonacci sequence actually. Fibonacci sequence. Okay. Alright. So this formula, this is the name of the person who took this out. Okay. You will learn in higher classes. If you are doing honors, mathematics honors and all, you will learn about this, and this is just very nice actually. So anyways, this is your equation number 1. Okay, very nice sequence. So let's start. N greater than 2, right? We have n greater than, yes, n greater than 2. So start with n equals to 3. Okay, so n equals to 3. So what is that? A3 is equal to A2 plus A1. A2 plus A1. So both are 1s only. So 1 plus 1, that is 2. So A3 is 2. Next, write 1, putting it in 1. Then next one, n is equal to 4 in 1. So A4 is equal to 4 minus 1, 3, right? 3 plus 4 minus 2, 2. Okay. So what is A3? That is 2 plus, what is A2? That is 1. The answer is 3. A4 is given as 3. Let's go ahead to the next. N is equal to 5 in 1. How many terms are there? 2 terms there. 3. This is the third term. This is the fourth term. That's the fifth term. Yeah. So A5 is equal to A4 plus A2. No, sorry. That is 5 minus 2, 3. Right? So here also I am 4 minus 2. So A5 is equal to A4, that is 3, plus A3. Where is A3? A3, that is 2. That is 7. No, 5. What am I adding? So A5 is 5. So these are the 5 terms. So what are they? They are 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5. Okay. If you do this, you see they will come 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5. So that's how we took it out. 5 plus 3, next one will be 8. Okay, so it's 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, previously people would think a lot with numbers and all that, and that's how all these things came out. Okay, so let's go on to part 3 of question number 7. Part 3, question number 7, part 3. Okay, question number 7, part 3. There are two things already given. A1 is equal to A2, it's given, and which is equal to 2. Okay, comma, and an is given to you. Very easy question. All of you can do it now. An minus 1 minus 1. Okay, and it says n greater than 2. N greater than 2. I think I will not be doing this question because all of you all can do this question. The first two terms are given to you. Now greater than 2 means start with 3. Put 3 here, then 3 minus 1, 2. You will put the value over there and then subtract the 1 and then you will get the answer. I am going on to question number. I didn't do this question, so mark it a circle. Okay, because I didn't do it for you. Other things I am ticking all I have done. Last question for today is question number 8, and this exercise is over. 7 part 3 you can do at home. You have to find the first 5 terms. That's the question. Question number 7 has 3 parts, and the heading for question number 7 is you have to find the first 5 terms. Okay, so do this at home if you want to. If you don't want to, that's no problem. Let's go ahead with question number 8. Question number 8 says that, okay, it is given, it was written over here only, the Fibonacci, okay, that spelling was wrong first time. F-I-B-O, now I have to check it. Since I saw it, so now I have to check. Otherwise, N-A, see the mistakes I'm making, N-A-C-C-I, the Fibonacci sequence is given to us. Okay, the Fibonacci sequence, you know, just now I did A, n minus 1 plus A, n minus 2. Okay, it's given to us, and A1 is equal to 1, which is equal to A2. This is also given, like the previous question of 7 part 2 types. Okay, and it's given n is greater than 2, and then you write n belongs to natural number. These are the information, this is the information that's given to you. It says find, okay, a n plus 1 divide by a n, find a n plus 1 divide by a n for n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For these 5 terms, you have to find this. You have to find this. What is this? This is a ratio, a fraction you have to find. For each of these, you have to find one fraction. So if you start with what you need to find, so look at this. Put n equal to 1. So a1 plus 1 divided by a1. So the first one that you need to find is what? A2 divided by A1. This is the first thing that you need to find. Similarly, when you start putting n equal to 2, 3, 4, you can find out the things that you need to find. Okay. So your first thing you need to find A2 by A1. Now again you put 2, this is 3. So this is A3 divided by A2, right? Which is, comma. Next term, put 3 in, 3 plus 1, 4. This is A4 divided by A3, comma, put 4 in, 4 plus 1, 5. So A5 divided by A4, comma, put 5 in, A5 plus 1, that is 6, directly write A6 divided by A5. So these are the things that you need to find. So let us start with this question and let's start finding all of them. So the first thing is already given to us. Look at that. That's A2, that's A1. So 1 by 1 is already there. So that's just a 1. What is my A3? I don't have. Let's find A3. So n is equal to 3. See, n greater than 2. Okay, n is equal to 3 in 1. Make this equation number 1. Right, in 1. So what is my A3? A3 is A2 plus A1. A2 is also 1 plus 1, that is 2. Okay, what is my A4? N is equal to 4. What is my A4? So tell me what is my A4? So if you know from question number 7 part 2, then you can quickly write this. Okay, but if you don't know, then you'll have to keep putting n equal to 4. So 4 minus 1, 3 plus A2. So what is my A3? That is 2 plus what is my A2? That is 1. The answer is 3. A4. Okay, everywhere you have to write in 1. Okay, again, next, n is equal to 5. N is equal to 5 in 1. 4 we are done with, right? 3, 4, yeah. N is equal to 5 in 1. So in 1, when you put 5, then you have A5 is equal to 5 minus 1, that is 4. A4 plus 5 minus 2, that is A3. Okay, so what is A4? What is my A4? A4 is where is it gone? A3, that is 3 plus A3 is 2. So that's my 5. A5 is that. What is my A6? So put 6 now. So n is equal to 6 in 1. Put n equal to 6 in 1. So after putting n equal to 6 in 1, what do you get? A6 is equal to 6 minus 1, 5. A5 plus 6 minus 2 is A4. So A5 is 5 plus A4 is 3. So that is 8. A6. Right? Now let's start putting. A3 is 2. A2 is 1. So this is 2 by 1, that is just a 2 over here. Then A4 is what? A4 is 3, A3 is 2. So this is 3 by 2 over here. And then let's continue. A5 is 5 and A4 is 3. Okay. Comma. A6 is 8 divided by A5 is 5. Okay. Let me check this answer for you. It's given as, no answer is given. Hint is given. Oh, there were hints to this question. Okay. It's written hints to selected problems. Question number, what is that? 8. Question number 8. Yeah, they done it exactly. I did 1, 2 by 1, that is 2. 3 by 2, okay. 5 by 3. And again, correct answer. Okay. Correct answer, students. We were doing exercise 19. No. Exercise, yeah. 19.1. It's done. Over. Exercise 19.1 is completed. So we will continue with 19.2 in the next class. And now we are going to approach the important and difficult questions. The ones that you are going to face problems with. But don't worry, there is no problem over here. Okay, so keep taking as much help as possible from my and your channel, Math is Possible. See you in the next video.